Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Anna Montemurno, and today's video I have 5 keto myths to share with you, and I thought you might be interested to know. Number 1, it's hard to follow. Well, as with anything else that involves change, initially it is a challenge. However, once you divorce carbohydrates, you'll be all right. It's not as hard as you think. In the beginning, it's pretty tricky, but it's not hard to follow at all. In fact, I think it's a whole lot easier than it was when I was ingesting carbohydrates nonstop because I couldn't control it. Anyway, moving on to number 2. It's very unhealthy. Actually, the ketogenic diet is used in many applications for health, to actually restore health. For ALZHEIMER'S, let's say, for example, ADHD, obesity, and the list goes on. I have another video coming that's going to be talking about the benefits of keto, so we'll save that for later. Number 3, it's another fad diet. The low-fat craze really did a lot of damage to us, and at least that's my perception of it. It created a lot more of diabetics, a lot of obesity in this country. Remember, 4 out of 10 of us are obese in the United States of America. That's a big number. Anyway, ketogenic nutrition is going to be coming up and coming up and coming up. The more that we learn about it, it's like, remember back in the old days when we all watched the Jetsons, My Boy Elroy and all that, and they were talking, George and the wife, I forgot her name, but they were talking to each other, and they were talking to each other sort of on TVs, just like we're doing now. And my point is that everything is evolving, from technology to medicine to nutrition. And so the old things that used to work for us years ago are no longer working for us. In fact, the low-fat craze never really worked for us. It really, in my view of it, created a lot of compulsive overeaters because we just can't stop eating, because a lot of the food that we eat, the processed food, is loaded with sugar. That's a whole nother video, but I don't want to deviate. Number 4, deprivation. That the keto diet is depriving us of food that we should have. Well, to be very honest with you, I feel like I eat more variety now than I've ever eaten in my whole life. And remember, I'm the professional dieter. And so, for example, today I went to the beach. What did I have for lunch? I had a salad. For my protein, I had a lobster roll without the roll and butter. That was my lunch, with a salad, with a nice big salad with olive oil on it. Now, I don't know, call me crazy, but I don't think that's being deprived, do you? Number 5, cannot do keto long term. The 5th myth. Well, it's been over a year for me, and I seem to be enjoying myself more than I ever have. And here's a couple of takeaways. I eat to satiation now. I don't look for more. I'm full. It's almost like my body has now been restored to baseline neutrality, where I don't look for more food. And that is a big deal for somebody like me. I don't know about you guys, but I hope you've gotten some value out of this video. And I'd like for you to please hit the like button if you have. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And the next video will be talking about some of the benefits of keto. Over and out. Ciao for now, and I'll see you in the next video.